Sanibonani, welcome back again to yet another video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining me. Thank you very much. So ngenzela ifavor ke subscribe mangaba subscribe, like video, share video. Press like, kubaluleke kakhulu ukupress like bafethu, and it is free mahala nokushare video njalo, and as well sicela ukuthi ubuke ama ads mangabe ayaqhamuka ke video idlala. So kule video ngizokwenthanda ukukhuluma kancane ngokweNhle Mbali Mlotshwa. I know ukuthi ugirl ubekade eshade noBlack Coffee, DJ Black Coffee, bahlukana ndawo thizeni, ehambeni lwabo ke lomshado baye bahlukana benengane ezimbili, and then ekuhlukaneni kwabo wathi ugele ngathi uBlack Coffee becheater all along in their marriage. uBlack Coffee nezinye ingane ngaphandle whatever azithole ke beshadile, something like that. Mhlambe that was as part of the separation yabo, the reasons maybe kukhona ezinye izizathu angazi, kodwa ngezwe kudaba lwe cheating ukuthi uBlack Coffee wayenabanye abantu futhi ezala nezingane la ngaphandle, into kanjalo wagcina ke umshado wabo ungaphumelelanga. Kwase kuthi ngimuva futhi kwaba khona ukuchita kukaNhle Mbali, kwathiwa kuNhle ese divorced noBlack Coffee. Are they fully divorced? Because siyalapha estoreni sakhe noBlack Coffee, right? Kuye kwaba nendaba zokuthi utholakala eseTanzania nomunye ubhuti naye oshadile. Abantu babekhuluma ukuthi uNhle Mbali Mlotshwa ukhale ngoBlack Coffee ukuthi uyacheat. Esuka lapho yena wayeTanzania nobhuti oshadile naye futhi sesiyoba ngumakhwapheni kanjani wena ukhala ngabo makhwapheni girl. Kwaba kuningi nje lapha guys, simaze ukuthi ugirl manje she was married to Black Coffee. Angifuni ukuthi ngithi they are divorced because angazi odabeni engifuna ukukhuluma ngalo. Kune video ayipostile on Facebook uNhle Mbali ekhuluma ngokuthi after God fear some men. Futhi ngivumelana naye mighty some men. Akubona bonke abakhohlakeli bafethu abanye ba right, khona abakhohlakeli khona ba right kalokho. So uthe fear some men after God. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi emshadweni wabo noBlack Coffee mhlambe mase kuza lapha endabeni ukuthi ba divorce, yazi umuntu mawushade naye bafethu man divorce nithola half right, whatever that uBlack Coffee owned, uNhle Mbali uyathola half of that. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi lawa ke amangaza uNhle Mbali ngamaqhinga kaBlack Coffee mhlamba ukuthi ugirl angaze athola lutho olungolwake angazi. Uyenzile ivideo wathi after God fear some men. Asambe siyibuka incane nje clip yakhona, but ubonakala sengathi kukhona kumele ayekuprove lapha eCourt ukuthi wayeshade noBlack Coffee, like lobola wise angazi ukuthi kuthiwa kumele approve ukuthi she was traditionally married to uBlack Coffee. Ngicabanga ukuthi izindlela zika Black Coffee zokuthi ugirl angatholi lutho lwakhe mangabe babengazange balobolana omhlawumbe bayenza ngoba wathi wedding guys nezithombe zikhona, that is proof. Kodwa mangabe mhlawumbe bengazange basayine phansi akuna proof ukuthi babeshadile. Therefore uNhle kungaba nzima kuye lapha ukuthi athole whatever that she wants to get from Black Coffee mangabe bazange basayine phansi, or mangabe mhlawumbe azange kube ne proof ye traditional, whatever it is. You guys asibukeni clip yakhe la ayipostile kuqala.
Good evening, y'all. So I'm getting ready for bed. I just had a final thought, right? I've heard that saying that after God after God fear men, right? And I just thought, not all men are bad. I think men are great, right? But some of them are problematic. So I say this because I am in bed, and tomorrow I go to court to prove that I was married to him traditionally. To prove. That's insane. But yeah, after God fear some men. Good night.
Angazi ukuthi yahamba njani indaba yabo ke lapha ekushadini kwabo, ngoba girl uma ungazabe umshado wakho ungazange kusayinwe phansi ukuthi nishadile, we hayi ntombazane. So ke lapha ukuthi uNhle Mbali was exposed by wife's for dating her hubby. Khumbula ke waye exposed, and I shared today ukuthi she's going to court to prove that she was traditionally married to Black Coffee. Ngomunye wathi uNhle Mbali finally exposes uBlack Coffee for who he really is, but this guy is very cruel. That is someone wathi after God fear men, not Black Coffee, requesting proof in court that he was traditionally married to ex-wife uNhle Mbali. It looks like this divorce is getting messy. Akusho ukuthi ngempela idivorce yabo ayikafanalizwa, basaloku besendleleni ye divorce bafethu. So uBlack Coffee kumele uNhle approve ukuthi they were traditionally married. so angazi yo kodwa when it comes to white wedding sonke sayibona white wedding namanje namhlanje izithombe zomshado wabo omhlophe zikhona. So mhlambe ubonile uBlack Coffee ukuthi okay white wedding wise ikhona iproof ukuthi sasishadile. So proof akegela ukuthi traditional sasishadile mhlambe proof ayikho kuzoba nzima for uEnhle mangabe kunjalo bafethu. Asiye lapha nakufakaza siza ukuthi ukhulume waluthini udaba ke lukaEnhle Mbali noBlack Coffee ukuthi uEnhle Mbali has to court to prove that she was traditionally married to Black Coffee. Uenhle Mbali recently expressed her disbelief over ongoing legal backlists related to her marriage to international DJ Black Coffee. Though the couple separated years ago, their relationship has continued to make headlines amid various controversies and allegations, right? Just things seemed to have quieted down. Ngempela mina bengicabanga sebaqeda ngalokho bafethu. The actress shared a video on Instagram revealing that she is heading back to court to address matters related to her traditional marriage to Black Coffee. The situation prompted Uenhle to echo the sentiment after God fearsome men, highlighting her surprise of the circumstances. Ubemangele ngempela uEnhle ethi we hayi besabe laba. Ngisho ukuthi uBlack Coffee ngempela akafuni ukuthi uEnhle athole lutho kodwa bafethu phela banengane ezimbili. uBlack Coffee mengefuna ukuthi uEnhle athole lutho uthi ingane zakhe kwenzekani ngazo bafethu. That's not fair. In her post, ubhale wathi breaking every generational case and being an example of strength for those who have journeyed at this path. Kwaba ne video ke yakhe laphana bafethu uye wayicaptiona kanjalo. Kodwa uBlack Coffee la kuzomela amsherele ngoba phela umshiya nabantwana ababili uzobathina abantwana bafethu. Angazi indaba yakhe noBlack Coffee thina omunye wathi hey guys ayibo have you heard the latest about uEnhle Mbali noBlack Coffee? This divorce saga is proving to be nothing short of a reality TV show. Eka Black Coffee noEnhle Mbali ayiphelanga bafethu. That is Ohami. I just passed her video. So yeah man bafethu ayikuningi. So uma enganayo iproof ugere ukuthi babeshadile traditional, which means ukuyambhedela phela uBlack Coffee ngekaze amnikeze lutho. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukwenza lokho ngoba ufuna ukumake sure ukuthi akatholi lutho lungolwakhe. Hayi mfethu kodwa unezingane lapho, you will have to give her something ngalokho. So yeah man akunzima bafethu. Kunzima kodwa ke when it comes to white wedding bafethu angithi izithombe zikhona umshado wabomhlophe wamuhle omkhulu wa-attendwa abantu. Yini ke manje inkinga esikhona uBlack Coffee message akaprove ukuthi they were traditionally married? Kukhona mhlawumbe into esayinwayo mangabe ni umuntu elobola or something, likhona iphepha mhlawumbe libuye enkosini or something, whatever it is. You ngeke bafethu kunzima ke ngathi izobandeleka Black Coffee noEnhle Mbali sizoyiza ukuthi kuqhubeka kanjani ukuthi ugele ugcine kwazi ukuprove noma cha besiza nama updates ke bafethu. Hayi uBlack Coffee kodwa unemali akamsherele uEnhle Mbali ngoba phela unengane ezimbili khona uthi zona ziyokhula kanjani. Those are just my thoughts ke bafethu. Those are just my thoughts, right? Kumele nathola okuncanyana bafethu ke hayi kodwa. But anyways angazi your thoughts in the comment section, like the video, go subscribe, share, so besixoxa futhi kwenye video elandelayo. Bye.